Part number 2, how to create an operating system for the bus. We have AX, BX, CX, DX, EAX, CBX, CCX, CDX, and also RIX, RAX, RBX, RCX, RDX, and also RDI, RSI, and RBB, RSP, and other features. We have some registers and also x86 assembly language and C++, C#, Kotlin, and also Swift, SwiftUI, and JavaScript, Java, bytecode Java, and other features. We have OpenGL, WebGL, DirectX, and we are creating the operating system for the bus. It is part number 2 because part number 1 I started it. You can watch it on my YouTube channel, on this YouTube channel. And okay, we are creating right now the operating system for it. We will use different registers, connections between GPU, CPU, and we will use motherboard. And on the motherboard we have the connections with features, and we have the wheels of the bus. They are moving, and they do some of the movements of the wow, it is kind of radius movements. And we have the angular speed, angular motion, and also angular velocity, angular acceleration, and they are moving. Also have the person who is the driver, bus driver we have, and also have the color of the bus. It will be the black. It is 000 on RGB schema, and we have this bus. Also we can use another color mods such as HSB, HSL, HCL, and RGBA, and we'll have the security systems, and also we'll have the HTTPS, and we'll use salt hash and symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption to create different features and ciphers. We'll use cipher of Jewish cipher and also Caesar cipher. We will use it to do cipher, cipher, and cipher number 1, cipher number 2, cipher number 3 to do security. Also BIOS and UEFI. We will use UEFI and also boot systems and 55AA also for the booting. And we are creating the system. We need to create the letters of the alphabet to connect with it. We are the bus driver who wants to drive on this bus. We need to create an alphabet. We will use ASCII characters. We can create our own characters. Also you can create Unicode characters. And someone is walking to me, or not to me, some girls. Okay, and we are creating it. It is actually good, and we are, I think that, no, okay, we are determining it, and we have the bus. We have the main global object shape. It is the parallelepiped, and we have the height, we have the width, we have the length of this parallelepiped, and we have also cylinders. Cylinders are our wheels, and they are in the shape of the cylinders. Also have some boxes inside. It will be parallelepipeds too, and you can open them by using some of the behaviors, and it is formulas of XYZ we have, and grid we have, and also have some structures, and we have the light, also ray tracing we will use, and highlights we have, and reflection. It is actually good. And we have different cars. We have different cars on the road, and our operating system should detect them, should detect all inputs, all outputs. It means that when we create the operating system, we should know what our inputs and outputs do. We should do the rotations of our steering wheel, and it means that we need a register for the behavior to the left, to the right, and also to the gas, to start acceleration, to move forward, and also we need some acceleration to move back, and we need to go actually. And it is registers, all about registers. Also have some sound registers for the beeping, and also making the sounds for another drivers. Actually right now we are creating an operating system with you, and it is good to do